So over here is our unboxing station for vinyl. Here's our table, here's our conveyor. Normally what we would do, the pallet of vinyl would be right here. We'll take the vinyl off, put it on here like so, send it down to be taken apart here to be put on carts. Originally, we've had some of this Kaizen foam here in the window frame containing tools we needed to do the job. A knife, whatever that was, markers, pens. We've had one problem where every time we set these extremely heavy boxes of vinyl up here, this stuff gets knocked on the floor. Sometimes it gets forgotten about in a rush. Our friend Hieb, say hi Hieb.
Yeah,
okay, hi. Created a new method for all of this. He took a few old boxes, cut them out into basically a drawer, and put everything he needs. Used a piece of Kaizen foam that was originally in the windowsill, put all of his parts in his gloves, making it more efficient and saving time for having to clean up something unnecessary. Very lean.